Gold traded with modest bearishness for the day and respected on the upside the resistance level beautifully. I have mentioned earlier in the day 29, 16, 18 zone should offer a good resistance. In fact, till 29, 20 it should provide a maximum resistance for gold on the upside. And what has seen, we have seen it struggling to break beyond, we have seen it reversing and already has seen the lows at 28, 96, 97. While silver has struggled, silver has traded sideways, not showing any signs of either bullishness or bearishness. What to expect from gold and silver with the US session today? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch this. First, gold on the hourly chart. See, it is still staying in the box. You can look at the move here. It has not breached the support levels towards 2890. 2880 zone. Yes, it has moved all the way towards this critical zone, but failing to break beyond. It is trying to consolidate. Look at the move on the hourly chart. See, first the moving average is again crossing over for a sell, and it is getting a stronger resistance on the upside, while on the downside the support at around 28.95, 96 are pretty strong. So let it break below 28.95, 96 and then 28.90. These are the levels which are going to offer a good support here, because below that we are looking forward to 28.80, 84. And as I have shared earlier, any break below 28.80, 84 should take the prices all the way down towards 28.60 and lower levels. See, it has consolidated enough here, triple top. And earlier what did I share? That see, look at these three lows. This is an expanding triangle. The top is pretty intact, the bottom is far below. Thus till 28.84 it is possible, but I think it is going to get a maximum support there. Stochastic trying to bounce back. The MACD is trading with divergence, staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. On the 2-hour, similar observation here on the 2-hour chart. See, modest bearishness, a swing, and then another strong bearish candle has appeared. But largely, if you look at the momentum, is right now sideways. It has to come out of this box. It has to trade below 2890, 2880 zone now. That is the only zone now which is going to provide maximum support before it moves to 2860. Stochastic flat, MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI looking downwards, staying bearish. On the 3-hour charts, and see on the 3-hour charts what has happened, it has formed a double top. It is still trading in green. I will wait for it to trade below 28.95, 96 zone. A drop below 28.95, 96 should take it all the way towards 28.90, 88 and then 28.80, 84. These are the two support levels which I am waiting for eagerly for gold to break beyond. Now see what has happened here. Notice, see, this is a V-shaped recovery, consolidation here. It is a elongated, or you can say a stretched consolidation which has happened. So what preceded this was a good drop, and now forming the double top, it is trying to take a direction. Wait for it to take a direction. It is still not confirming a dip, but yes, now 28.95, 96 should be a good entry point for us to take a selling position. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness. See, this is what we had seen. It has shown a good recovery. It has crossed over, and since then the prices are trading bearish. The RSI has dropped on the 4. Now on the 4-hour charts, another important point to note here is the support. It is getting at around 100 period moving average here, and thus this makes this zone as a pretty critical and pretty important support zone. It has to leave this zone. It has to trade below 2890, 2880. These are the two key levels now on the downside, because once it leaves this zone, it is going to deliver a massive move here. And as long as it respects this zone, remember, possibility of a bounce back also cannot be denied. Be mindful of this. These are market. It shows you one picture and delivers another. That is the beauty of the market. It shows everything is bearish as of now, but yes, it can bounce back. But I will say, look at the formation here now. 29.16 first resistance, 29.20 the second, 29.24 the third, 29.30, 32 the fourth. These are the levels which gold need to break now in order to confirm a reversal. Very close by, very strong resistances are available. But yes, a single candle might erase all the losses here. Let's watch out. The stochastic right now looking downwards. See, MACD after the crossover trading with divergence is staying bearish, looking downwards. The RSI is also trading bearish here. Coming to now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries. And if you are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily charts. First of all, notice, see, sharp bearishness was observed here, retracement, and after the retracement the bullishness got diminished. First bearish candle has appeared, second swing has appeared, and now third bearish candle is appearing here. Now all this time you can find out the 20 period moving average acted as a wall here. Yes, none of the candles closed below 20 period average. We have to wait for it to close below, and this also makes this zone at 2890, 2880 is a pretty strong support zone, and that is why I say now this next selling entry for gold is towards 2895 levels, below which you can expect more bearishness to prevail here. The stochastic looking downward, see, rise, retracement, rise, and it could try to move towards the bottom here. MACD trading with divergence and bearishness, and see, I have shared previously. Look at the rise here and look at what it is doing. It is looking downwards, trading with divergence. It has lot much of a scope available on the downside here. The RSI has dropped. So considering first point, see, the buying entries ideally now has to be about 2916, 2918 zone. In fact, if you're buying at 2916, 18, you can expect 2920, 2924, very, very nearby resistances. And once it breaks, or rather I will say 2920, and then 2924, 26 should be the first resistance zone. Beyond this, you can expect 2930, 32. This is only in the case if it shows a complete reversal, which appears difficult as of now. And thus, if you're buying at 2916, you have to be extremely cautious for 2920, 24, 26, and 30, 32. Beyond this is where you can say the bulls will take over completely, and beyond this, we can look forward to 2940, 2950, 55. Chances for which appears to be less. However, you have to keep a check on the levels here. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2895. Expect, and see, 2916 is a bit far beyond levels, and thus those who want to risk a little and capture a few pips can buy here at 2906. If you are buying at 2906, expect 2910, 2916, 18 should be the next resistances. So 2910, you should watch out for very, very good resistance should be offered here at now 2910, 12, and then 2916, 18. Yes, you can take a little risk from 2906, however with caution. On the downside now 2895, 96 should be the first resistance. Below 2895, 96 you can take a sell, expect it to move towards 2888, 90, and then 2880, 84. Below 2880, no stopping here. It is going to move all the way towards 2860 very, very soon, and below 2860 is where major downfall should appear, all the way towards 2820 or 2800 levels very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. On the hourly charts, just consolidating here. On the upside, the resistances are pretty intact towards 3260 levels. I have earlier in the day mentioned 3260, 38 to 80 levels should be a very good resistance zone for silver. It has failed to break beyond, it is struggling in a zone. While on the downside, look at these three swings here. All the three times it has failed to break below the 100 period moving average, sitting at 3230. And yes, till 3220 it has got very, very strong support. So this is trading clearly in a zone. It has to come out of this zone. Moving averages trying to converge here, not yet crossed over. If you look at the stock right now trading bullish, the MACD is also trading with modest bullishness, while the RSI is trading bearish here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, what has happened? Support here from the 50 period, trying to bounce back here. Look, rise, retracement, rise, double top is formed, trying to retrace. If it trades below 32.30, we can expect the move all the way towards 32.10 and $32 levels, below which you can say more bearishness should prevail. Right now it is trading in a box here. If you look at the stock, I think this is trying to bounce back. The MACD is trading with moderate divergence and bearishness. The RSI is looking downwards. Coming to 3 on the 3 hour charts, now you can find out these two candles are almost identically symmetrical here. Notice this, and that too after diminishing bearishness, one bullish candle is appearing. Now very important for silver to at least now break below 32.30. If 32.30 is taken, you can say now the bears are back in action, and we can look forward to a move towards 32, 10, 15, or in fact 31.95, 32 levels here. I can see a bit of consolidation going on here. Wait for it to come out of this zone. A move beyond 3280 is a clear sign of stronger momentum on the upside. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD right now is trading bearish. The RSI is also looking with or trading with modest bullishness. On the 4 hour charts, what's happening? The support from the 20 period is pretty strong. 3240, 3230 zone. None of the candles have closed below this. But notice what has happened here. after the drop, retracement, lower highs. It calls for lower lows here because this is forming a nice flag. Where are the lows for this? Towards $32 levels. So let's watch out. If you see it is staying below 32.30 now, you can take a sell, expect 32.15, 32 and $32 levels as the next targets. Any move below 32 should be a good indication for another round of drop all the way towards 31.80, 31.50 levels. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD has crossed over after a good retracement. It is trading with divergence and bearishness, suggestive of more bearishness. RSI has dropped as well. On the daily charts and on the daily charts, when you see first of all diminishing bullishness, reversal sign has appeared, first bearish candle, but yes, the body size is very minimal. Then today double top is formed and it is trying to erase some of the gains here and now trying to trade with bearishness. There is a possibility that it may try to move towards 32.20, $32 zone, which should be a very good support zone. It may in fact try to erase the gains from this candle, taking it all the way towards 31.80. Let's watch out here. And thus 32.30 levels you can take a selling entry. However, you have to be trading with caution here as silver is showing a bit of rigidity. Stochastic overbought here. See, MACD here is trading in green, though the divergence is minimal, but it is still on the greener side. It is not yet crossed over. The RSI is flat. So looking at this very simple, sell at 32.30 levels. When you see the higher price below 32.30, you can initiate a selling entry. However, with caution towards 32.15, 32 and 31.80 levels. Below 31.80 is where you can say now the bears are taking over, else it is not to be treated. On the upside anyways, 32.60-80 zone should be a greater resistance zone. Any move beyond 32.80 is a clear sign of bullishness, taking it all the way towards 33.10, 33.40 levels. The move right now, it is not very much supportive of such a stronger rise. But yes, once it breaks beyond, certainly you can expect the rise to be there. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.